Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen workhorse that promises to simplify your cooking and elevate your everyday meals. We're talking about the Calphalon Signature Hard-Anodized Nonstick Covered Everyday Chef Pan, a 12-inch marvel in classic black. Now, Calphalon has a reputation for quality, and this signature line aims to push those boundaries. What immediately caught my eye with this pan is its claim of Sear Nonstick. This is a bold statement in the nonstick cookware world. Typically, when you think of searing and browning meats to perfection, you envision stainless steel or cast iron, surfaces that develop that beautiful crust. Nonstick, while convenient, often falls short in this crucial area. But Calphalon is telling us this Sear Nonstick surface can handle it, evenly searing, browning, and sautéing without sacrificing its nonstick properties. This is a game changer if it holds true, allowing you to get that perfect sear on your steaks, chicken, or vegetables while still benefiting from easy release and cleanup. Another significant feature, and one that genuinely impressed me, is that this pan is metal utensil safe. Yes, you heard that right. You can confidently use your metal spatulas, spoons, and whisks without worrying about scratching or damaging the nonstick coating. This removes a layer of anxiety that many home cooks have when using nonstick pans, often resorting to silicone or wooden utensils. It speaks to the durability and robust nature of the nonstick technology Calphalon has employed here. Let's talk about the construction. This pan features cast, stay-cool stainless steel handles. These are not just for show. The loop handle design is ergonomic and, crucially, designed to stay cool on the stovetop. This is a vital safety and convenience factor, allowing you to maneuver the pan with confidence. The description also mentions these handles are beautiful brushed stainless steel loop handles that fit easily in the oven, which brings us to its stovetop-to-oven versatility. This pan isn't just for cooking on the burner. You can seamlessly transition from searing on the stove to finishing your dish in the oven, perfect for those one-pot meals or dishes that require a final broil or bake. The overall shape and size, being a 12-inch chef pan, make it incredibly versatile. It's large enough to cook family-sized portions, handle a good amount of ingredients for sautéing, and its depth is ideal for simmering sauces or creating stews. The inclusion of a cover is also a big plus, trapping heat and moisture for more efficient cooking and allowing for braising and simmering applications. Now, let's consider the practicalities. Calphalon offers a full lifetime warranty on this pan. This is a significant indicator of the company's confidence in their product's longevity and performance. It suggests that this isn't a pan designed for a year or two of use, but rather a long-term investment for your kitchen. And for cleanup, it's dishwasher safe. This is the holy grail for many busy home cooks. While hand washing is often recommended for maximizing the lifespan of non-stick cookware, the fact that this is dishwasher safe offers ultimate convenience when you're in a hurry or just don't feel like scrubbing. So, let's break down the pros and cons of the Calphalon Signature Hard-Anodized Nonstick Covered Everyday Chef Pan. The pros are numerous. First and foremost, the Sear Nonstick technology. The ability to sear and brown effectively while maintaining non-stick properties is a major advantage. Second, the metal utensil safety aspect removes a significant barrier to entry for many users and adds to its overall durability. The sturdy, stay-cool stainless steel handles and the stovetop-to-oven versatility make it a truly all-around cooking tool. The generous 12-inch size and the included lid further enhance its functionality for a wide variety of dishes. And finally, the full lifetime warranty and dishwasher-safe convenience provide peace of mind and ease of use. Now, for the cons, and it's important to be realistic. While it's metal utensil safe, for maximum longevity of any non-stick coating, gentle use is always advised. Aggressive scraping, even with metal utensils, can eventually wear down any surface. Secondly, as with all non-stick pans, extreme high heat for prolonged periods might not be ideal for the coating's long-term health. While it can handle searing, understanding your heat levels is still important. Lastly, hard-anodized aluminum, while durable, can sometimes be prone to showing minor cosmetic scratches over time, though this typically doesn't affect the cooking performance. In conclusion, the Calphalon Signature Hard-Anodized Nonstick Covered Everyday Chef Pan, 12-inch, is a highly impressive piece of cookware. It bridges the gap between the performance of traditional cookware and the convenience of nonstick. Its ability to sear, its durability with metal utensils, its versatility from stovetop to oven, and its user-friendly features like stay-cool handles and dishwasher-safe cleaning make it an outstanding choice for home cooks looking for a reliable and high-performing everyday pan. This is a pan that can genuinely simplify your cooking process and deliver excellent results for a wide array of culinary endeavors. Link in the description.